This is how to reset your service oil on your Ford Galaxy. This is a 2010 model. As long as you've got the big dashboard screen in the middle, it should be okay for you. So there we go, service oil. Right, ignition on, press the throttle and brake pedal together. Service oil reset in progress. Going to wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then it'll come up with oil reset. Oil reset complete. There we go. Release the pedals, press the OK button. That clears that. Start up. No reminder. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.